Hi guys, good evening. It's 7 p.m. now of October 19, 2020. Now I'm gonna share you the new creation that I made. I got inspired by the greeneries that I saw, the plants. So I decided to make green as my major color for my painting. So I'm gonna show it to you now. So yeah, and pardon me for the messy studio. Well, I'm using an old bed and then I placed the tarpaulin underneath para mag-catch ng dumi-dumi kong paint. So these are 3 8x10s. So sabay-sabay ko silang ginawa. And I'll give you a close-up so you can see the details. So I'm happy about the cells that formed here and the lacing there. And this one's done in the middle. And the third one is here. So these paintings will be ready for about a week kasi patutuyuin pa natin ang paint, and at the same time isi-seal pa natin siya. This kind of acrylic painting requires talagang every 30 minutes na tinitignan siya at inaalagaan kasi gumagalaw pa yung paint. So, yan. That's my painting for today and I hope you like it. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, please follow me. My Instagram is Albert_Concepcion_Art. So it's like Albert Concepcion Art with underscores. And please look for me on Facebook, Albert Concepcion Art. So see you again next time for the latest updates. And if you want to see more creations, follow me and please like my creations. Kung nagugustuhan nyo, malaking tulong po. And share them too. Okay? Bye!